Hola mi gente! Welcome to my channel and my first ever YouTube video, which will show the process of my first PC build, which I am in love with it. I'm so happy about the results. It looks like a big old fish tank. I couldn't be more proud. Anyway, this picture right here actually shows all the components that I used throughout the video and my build. So go ahead, take a gander, take a look. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will do my best to answer them. Also, if you do feel so inclined, please follow me on my other social media platforms, as well as like and subscribe on here. I will have links connecting to my Twitch as well as my Instagram in the description below, so please check those out. I greatly appreciate the support, and without further ado, enjoy the video, guys.
aren't stupid. I'll be watching.